Hello, welcome to Speak Igbo. My name is Oma, and I'm the face behind this channel. I'm so happy to have you here. You're highly welcome. If you've ever wanted to learn Igbo language, to speak, to understand the culture, and explore the beauty of African languages, there is the right place for you. On this channel, I'll guide you step by step through the Igbo alphabets, the numbers, common sentences, everyday phrases, proverbs, and even stories. So you can not only speak Igbo but also understand the culture behind it. Whether you're a beginner or part of Igbo in diaspora or just curious to learn, you're going to be seeing simple lessons that are fun, easy to follow, and easy to understand. So if this sounds exciting, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and like the video for more content like this. Once again, you're welcome to Speak Igbo. I'm glad to have you here. And together we can uphold Igbo language, speak Igbo, learn Igbo, speak with pride. Thank you.